In today's video, I'm going to teach you top 3 Shopify subscription apps. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head to Home so you're in a clean starting place, then open the Apps section. In the search field there, begin by looking up Appstle subscriptions. When you see the Appstle listing, click it to open the Shopify App Store page. Now, work through the on-screen highlights on that page. These prompts guide you through the most important areas of the listing, so click each highlighted section in turn. You'll be walked through the overview, key features, examples, and plan information. Take a moment to note how it handles core subscription tasks like subscribe and save options, delivery intervals, and customer portals. The goal here is to evaluate, not to change anything yet, so simply follow each highlight, get familiar with the interface, and make sure the offering aligns with your store's needs. When you're done reviewing, return to your Shopify admin and open Apps again. In the search, look up Recurpay subscriptions and click the Recurpay listing to open its App Store page. Just like before, follow the highlighted prompts on the listing to move through the sections the page emphasizes. This quick tour helps you confirm what Recurpay focuses on, such as customization options, analytics, and migration help. Once you've finished the guided highlights, proceed to installation. Click Install on the App Store page, and then click Install again when prompted. You'll be taken to a permissions screen. Review what the app needs to function, then approve to complete the install and add Recurpay to your store. Next, head back to Apps in your Shopify admin. Search for Loop subscriptions and select the Loop listing to open the App Store page. As with the others, click through the highlighted areas to get a sense of how Loop approaches subscription selling and customer management. The page includes a link to view a demo store. Click that to see the widget and workflows in action, which can be helpful to picture how it will look on a real storefront. When you're ready, click Install on the App Store page. Confirm the install on the next prompt, review the requested permissions, and approve to finish adding Loop to your store. That's it. You've explored Appstle subscriptions and installed 2 excellent alternatives, Recurpay and Loop. Use these guided listings to compare fit, and once an app is installed, you can fine-tune settings inside the app to match your product catalog, discount strategy, and customer experience.